This literature kit on Ella Enchanted by Gail Carson Levine includes a nice mix of discussion questions, writing prompts, and creative projects that keep students motivated. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Imagine it's revealed you have your own fairy godmother. How would you react? Design a wanted poster to warn others of an escaped ogre. Explain why the story of the genie in the lamp made Ella upset. Predict how the marriage of Ella's father and Dame Olga will affect Ella's life going forward. 4 additional extension activities follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as correcting the spelling, punctuation, and grammar mistakes found in Olive's letter. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Show how different characters affect Ella in the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.